Welcome to the exciting world of deep learning. This is a field where the boundaries of technology are constantly being pushed, and the possibilities seem endless. This field is revolutionizing how we interact with technology. Imagine a world where machines can learn from data, adapt to new information, and even make decisions on their own. From self-driving cars that navigate busy city streets with ease, to personalized medicine that tailors treatments to individual patients, deep learning is transforming industries in ways we never thought possible. At the heart of this revolution lie deep learning frameworks. These frameworks are the building blocks that allow us to create intelligent systems capable of performing complex tasks. These powerful tools are the engines behind artificial intelligence. They process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions with incredible accuracy. This essay will demystify these frameworks and guide you through the landscape of deep learning. We'll break down the complexities and make it easier for you to understand how these systems work. We'll explore popular options like Keras, PyTorch, and TensorFlow. Each of these frameworks has its own strengths and unique features that make them suitable for different types of projects. Understanding these tools is crucial for anyone wanting to dive into AI. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, mastering these frameworks will open up new opportunities and allow you to create innovative solutions. Get ready to unlock the potential of deep learning. With the right knowledge and tools, you can be at the forefront of this technological revolution, shaping the future of how we live and work. Deep learning frameworks are software libraries that simplify the development and deployment of AI models. Think of them as toolboxes for building intelligent systems. They provide pre-built components, algorithms, and functions. This saves you from writing complex code from scratch. These frameworks automate tedious tasks like gradient calculation and model optimization. They also offer high-level abstractions that make working with complex neural networks easier. Essentially, deep learning frameworks make AI accessible to a wider audience. They empower researchers, developers, and enthusiasts to build sophisticated AI systems. The field of deep learning is constantly evolving. New frameworks and tools emerge regularly, each with its strengths and weaknesses. This dynamic landscape can feel overwhelming for newcomers. However, it also drives innovation and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Staying updated on the latest advancements is crucial. This involves keeping an eye on research papers, attending conferences, and experimenting with new tools. Remember, the best framework for your project might not even exist yet. Embrace the ever-changing nature of AI and be adaptable in your approach. Data is the lifeblood of deep learning. These algorithms thrive on massive datasets to learn patterns and make predictions. However, managing and preparing such large amounts of data can be a significant challenge. Deep learning frameworks often provide tools and functionalities to streamline data handling. These include data loading, pre-processing, augmentation, and batching. Efficient data management is crucial for training accurate and robust AI models. It ensures data quality, consistency, and efficient utilization during the training process. Unraveling the black box model interpretability. In this section, we delve into the critical aspect of understanding and interpreting deep learning models. Deep learning models are often referred to as black boxes due to their complex inner workings. These models, with their intricate layers and numerous parameters, can be incredibly powerful but also opaque. Understanding why a model makes certain predictions can be difficult. This opacity can be a significant barrier, especially when these models are used in high-stakes decision-making scenarios like healthcare, finance, and autonomous driving. However, interpretability is crucial for building trust and ensuring responsible AI deployment. Without the ability to understand and explain model decisions, users and stakeholders may be hesitant to rely on AI systems. Some deep learning frameworks are beginning to incorporate features that enhance model interpretability. These advancements are aimed at making the inner workings of models more transparent and understandable. These include techniques for visualizing model decisions, such as heat maps and saliency maps, which highlight the areas of input data that most influence the model's output. Identifying influential features in deep learning models helps in understanding which variables are driving the predictions. This can be particularly useful in fields like medicine, where knowing the key factors can aid in diagnosis and treatment. Generating explanations for predictions is another crucial aspect. Techniques like LIME and SHAP provide insights into how models arrive at specific decisions, making the process more transparent. Striking a balance between accuracy and interpretability is essential for building reliable and trustworthy AI systems. While high accuracy is important, it should not come at the cost of transparency. Ensuring that models are both accurate and interpretable can lead to more ethical and effective AI applications. As we move forward, the future of model interpretability in AI looks promising. Ongoing research and development are focused on creating tools and methods that make AI systems more understandable, ensuring that they can be used responsibly and effectively across various domains. Keras user-friendly powerhouse for rapid prototyping. Keras is a high-level deep learning framework known for its user-friendliness and ease of use. It is designed to enable fast experimentation with deep neural networks, making it an ideal tool for both beginners and experts in the field. It provides a simple and intuitive API that allows you to build and train models with minimal code. This simplicity does not come at the cost of flexibility. Keras supports both convolutional networks and recurrent networks, as well as combinations of the two. Keras is an excellent choice for beginners and those looking for rapid prototyping. Its user-friendly nature means that you can get started with deep learning quickly, without needing to dive deep into the complexities of the underlying algorithms. With Keras, you can quickly experiment with different model architectures and hyperparameters. This flexibility allows you to iterate rapidly, testing various configurations to find the optimal setup for your specific problem. It also seamlessly integrates with other deep learning libraries like TensorFlow and Theano. This means you can leverage the power and performance of these libraries while enjoying the simplicity of Keras. Keras prioritizes developer experience and accessibility, making it a popular choice for educational purposes and building proof-of-concept projects. Its extensive documentation and active community support further enhance its appeal, providing a wealth of resources for learning and troubleshooting. The Keras community is vibrant and active, with numerous tutorials, forums, and user groups available to help you along your deep learning journey. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or a developer, you will find plenty of support and inspiration within the Keras ecosystem. Beyond educational and prototyping uses, Keras is also employed in advanced deep learning projects and real-world applications. Its ability to scale from simple experiments to large-scale deployments makes it a versatile tool in the arsenal of any deep learning practitioner. In industry, Keras is used for tasks ranging from image and speech recognition to natural language processing and beyond. In research, it serves as a reliable platform for developing and testing new deep learning algorithms and techniques. The future of Keras looks promising, with ongoing development and updates ensuring that it remains at the forefront of deep learning technology. As the field of artificial intelligence continues to evolve, Keras will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping its future. PyTorch is a popular deep learning framework favored for its flexibility and control. It offers a more imperative and Pythonic programming style compared to Keras, giving researchers and developers fine-grained control over model building and training. PyTorch excels in research settings where experimentation and customization are paramount. Its dynamic computation graph allows for on-the-fly model modifications, making it ideal for developing novel architectures and exploring cutting-edge deep learning techniques. TensorFlow is a powerful and versatile deep learning framework developed by Google. It is known for its scalability, performance, and production readiness. TensorFlow offers a comprehensive ecosystem of tools and libraries for deploying models on various platforms. Its robust infrastructure allows you to train and deploy models on large datasets and distributed computing environments. It also supports mobile and embedded devices, making it suitable for building AI applications across different domains. With so many deep learning frameworks available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. The best choice depends on your specific project requirements, experience level, and available resources. Consider factors like ease of use, flexibility, scalability, community support, and industry adoption. If you're a beginner, start with a user-friendly framework like Keras. For research and experimentation, PyTorch offers greater control. When deploying models in production, TensorFlow's scalability and robustness are valuable. Deep learning frameworks are powerful tools that democratize AI. They empower us to build intelligent systems that can solve complex problems and shape the future. There's no better time to dive into this exciting field. Explore the documentation, experiment with different frameworks, and join the vibrant online community. Embrace the learning process and don't be afraid to make mistakes. The journey of deep learning is full of discoveries and breakthroughs. Start building the future of AI today. Thanks for watching and subscribe to VLab Solutions.